More work on the trellis out here. The idea is we put these posts out here and kind of tie them together to sturdy it up some. Uh, so we'll come out here with wires running over the top here, kind of crisscrossing this way. About the same idea as this, but coming up, and then whatever you're growing, like the beans will hang down here and you just pick them, or bitter melon or cucumbers or whatever. These happen to be the long beans on this section. And over here is the cucumbers growing up already. They were all grown together in one pot and kind of separated them and put them out here. This area over here, this will be the bitter melon, amplia, bitter gourd, balsam pear, whatever you want to call it, growing up here. I ran out of eyelets for these, so I still got to run some eyelets and tighten them up, and then we'll run the string on here. That's just, I think these are cherry tomatoes over here. And of course, that's field peas. That's that sunflower, got a lot more blooms on it. Bees flying all over the place on. They love that thing. Got a lot of bees out here this year. I don't know where they're coming from. We don't have a hive this year. We moved that to another location miles away. But somebody's got, there's bees around here somewhere, because they're swarming out here, just regular honeybees. You can see them kind of flying around there. Of course, that's peppers there. I think that's okra, field peas, coming up good. Been watering them twice a day now because it's been in the 90s. It's not so bad today. It's probably, I think, highs mid 80s today, or high 80s, something like that. I don't even remember what those are. Eggplants, peppers. Don't ask me which peppers are which, because I don't know yet. Tomatoes, a little bit of basil. I think that's the Thai basil in between there. And more tomatoes with basil in between them. The basil helps kind of flavor the tomatoes and keeps bugs away from them. Some bugs. More tomatoes, more basil. We really like tomatoes. More tomatoes. I don't even know. I think that's sage. Eggplant, 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 and perilla, or what's the other name for that stuff? Perilla, shiso. I think this is the squash over here. Looking kind of ragged on the squash there. Mint's doing good. Rosemary's just getting started. Let me check these. Nope, bitter melon's not growing up yet. Parsley, more basil, oregano, and parsley, I think. And got some taro or agave in here somewhere. I think that she dug this up from last year and split them up. There's one over here and one over there, and I think she plants some more over here somewhere. Of course, that's that ugly kale patch that's still producing. I picked a bunch last week, and I planted these last year, and they're still going strong. Still tasty. Just keep popping the seed buds off of there. And the truth is, I haven't even really watered these things at all. They just keep growing. And they're not bitter yet. Sometimes with your greens, if they get too old, they get better. But we just made a big pot of them with some smoked jowls. They were good like that. So I'll put the tops on these. I'll run the overhead runners like this over top as the plants get up towards the top there. I got everything for it. Got my eyelets, got some more wire. They got crazy on the price of that fence wire. That's all we're using is galvanized fence wire. It works good. Have it for years. I don't know that we'll be living here for years, but we'll find out. We go along. Put these lights up here. These little solar lights. They look pretty good at night. I just put this one up for right now. I got more to put out here. I wanted to test one. Here you go, Moppy. There's your lights. They're not extremely bright, but they look pretty good wrapped around the pole there. Put them other ones out there to really light it up. And they work good. Looks good. Looks like a damn runway out here at night with little solar lights on the side there. I think she wants to get more solar lights to put over there. And of course those runners, I guess I got enough. I'll run one here and one there and one over there. Maybe. I think she wants them like on the aisles. So it'd be like one here and one over here when I put the posts in over here. But we'll find out. Still got to run those. We got a bunch of other stuff to do. So anyway, that's just an update on the trellis there. I haven't actually completed it, but it's going in there a little bit at a time. Anyway, if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and there'll be more as follows. I'm waiting for to actually get some stuff out of here probably in July. Should be. Get some peppers and eggplant and okra and whatever else. Tomatoes. All right, take care.